Sibira kurunja murebo hatari West twakwakira umwazugarizo wa program n'umushaho wawe kandi program yegine kukibaho ekitongore ekya National Medical Stores ekitongore kirukujunanzo bwa kujanja zembazi omwihanga ubwa hati ninkujya ngurebe kangwa atayira website ya National Medical Stores wamanya embazo kwe kutambura na mnonga omuchanga cyawe abo kuba ubwahati babashize kusiya embazi omararo gatarga mwenaga mu program umushaho wawe ndio Olivia Kamsime kandi kirehe kintu ya kwantugamba nshonga yo mutano mnonga kinji no bugano muntu ningo shangaho rukutura banta bakwetorire ushanga umuntu aine amino gineranji etarkwetegereza ubushanga harmu kakaranji kakorabamu kandi rizo bantu endagamba n'umushaho ebintevi kushanga ngo umuntu nafuna iranji etari yabtosha etari yabrijo namnonga batahi bitu abaruko bari myanye kushanga ngo amizi gabo nganga rwo mishozo ko shanga mino gabo umugine mu akaranja ko izo ntwenda kumanya inshungeji nebahita kandi nebasa kuba neyagurweta narisho umuntu kugaruka akatunga ka smile kabtosha akana akabasa kwekunda kugamba nabatahi betwine kandi mu studio zitu omushaho wamino kandi kuga na Hiraria Mbara Regional Referral Hospital naija kuba naturamusyaho kandi nagumza mu kutushobora ahanshungeje Dr. twakwakira ikireki
yawe bari munonga mutekanisa program amazina ni Amon Mwesigwa kandi kurugaha Bright Smiles ya nashemererwa kwija kandi ugundi umurundi kusharinga n'abantu habinte bitari umwenda bumwe bikwata ha conditions zo mukano ninga shoburire ubo mukano
so umushaho shoborere kandi ngo kuhato yanjura Dr. Amon Mwesigwa ikintu cha karayamino narisherangi yo tosha ntoga nabantu ushanga ngo inamino jegamu akantu kakorabamu ninga gona garkare ndijo ishongeji neja hita neba hita.
Yes, concept ya karayamino n'ekintu kiri simple kucenga kandi ekintu kiri a bit difficult abo kuba obwiro bwinge ntukira kwegomba amino shanga hati nkiwe wayegomba kare yanje na nyona wayegomba kare yawe aza tubura kumanya maybe habwa background zitu nka genetic makeup ninga shi race ningo kushanga haronka tribes ezo rukumanya ngo ababi na minogar white ngo kutukumanya ngo most of the people bakurugo mu abine race origin yabo bari dark skinned nkaba Southern Sudan ubwo rwinyi bashira kugira white teeth nangwana kuno ya abinji nkabita ba race je yabahima ejo area ejo nibakira kugira white teeth pure white teeth so kara yamino n'ibintu binji ebikuba bikugira vitamininga then na kara yamino no kara usually in the description yito ya yorushaho nibajyango it is not paper white neither it's not, so it's like it is in white when we would call it like creamy white that would be the normal color konka because of different factors tukajera the same color abo kugira ngo first of all to expose it to different diet na lifestyle so color yamino aminaga agabwano buto gaga very white because nigaga tine we expecting mineral content ya gori very low so kutukwija twagumana tukura amino gagumana gafana mineral content mweno ebijimusa ebikuyigumana biyongera mino so kugakuma gafune ebijimusa bikumara gayongera kuguma gaba highly mineralized ninga shikugira ebijimusa bingi then hati garugumu the real paper white gafana that creamy white color kuga kandi no butukugira ngo karejo eri nomo creamy white then ateno shanga for different reasons are abantu abatine that color ninga shabata kubasa kufuna the normal color of teeth so color yamino twena kunoja ngo tukagumena kukuranga yatwangire would have a uniform color konka abo kugira ngo first of all neza kubanza ngambe ukutukuzagwa na genetic makeup habwa different tribes na different race already tuliraikire kugira different colors konkana we ko mukazi yabaye nenda ukagera imibaze y'uwakoze sa kugirenda chances ziri high kugira ngo hari imibazi iri kubasa kwinterferinga no gukora kwa mino mu bana bato. So ushanga mu process y'abana bo baza kumera mino ngogo mubazi gwabire too much mu mbere gwanye na gwabekisuna n'umwana yafanaho share. So gumbazi interferinga na growth ya mino ushanga yamera mino gene gari deformed ningashi deformity in terms of color formation gatafuna the natural color ya mino. So that is one. Kukuruga aho shanga wazara umwana after short time yamera mino gagumana gahinduka kara ningashiga ya wazara umwana ukareba mino gaguma gakijagaringa brown or besade negatandika kukaniga sirira after short time. So ico nikibane kiruga high exposure. The other condition eri kudetermininga kara ya mino ningashi ni lifestyle. Hari abantu bakuba balesa and smoking now is very broad. Hariho kuresa itabi, hariho abakuresa shisha, hariho all different types of lifestyle. Na diet lifestyle mbona ni ebintu eri ukuri kurivinga normally ukuri kurebera mino ga. One is hygiene, either no brushing mino ninga to brushing. Emere yo kurya there is this natural food, either no feeding on junk food or natural food. So hari emere yo kubasa kushanga ngo emere yo kozesa ne basa kutuma mino gawa gahinduka kara faster. Then hariho na lifestyle yo kushanga akabanta bakuresa okunywa etabe okuresa na netabe it's almost the same concept. Then araba kunywa ma cause some drinking alcohol consumption. Then hariho na nabakazi mostly abine other cultural practices kaba kurangwa bagandane bafuye mindi ababa kufutane bishake byo kujumburira abana. So all those practices zone zibasa kukozinga discoloration ingasha mino garo gachi omukara. Then twineho na concept yo kushanga ngo habwa areas zitukuriremo. Now haro areas yo kushanga ngo amizi most times amino ni gamino zo miza gutukunywa emere tukurya na toothpaste tukozesa ku brushing amino. So habwo kugira ngo sometimes umwe futukurira nkaba kuba ku room byaro haro areas ezo kushanga. Now water system yetu inenka Uganda kugira ngo all communities zitwinene zifuna piped water. Agamiza ga pipe ago nigaba garine weather kugira ngo mineral content zikuba zirimo regulated. Nibaza kumanya onza kutekamo chlorine eri kwinganeti, kutekamo fluoride eri kwinganeti. We put all the different mineral contents to stay mizi konka hata abo kugira ngo abantu abinge nifitaha amiza gakurwa mu nshozi abo kurwa mu midiba mu damu zinaki ushanga at the end of the day some areas zifuna mizi garamu higher mineral content ninga fluoride content nyingi. Aho ningamba areas ziri common nkaba ntabakurire nko mu bazita footsteps ninga si nkahasi yenshozi nk'abantu abakusharinga area ya Rwenzori region, that is ejokoride ya Kasese Bunyangabo Fort Portal, that area Ntoroko Okoko Ntoroko ne bachira most of the people bakurugo mu areas ezo binamino agakwereka agine kara ya brown. Now kara ya brown wasa kushanga either erino byine ho patch ninga shinka kachweka kachekati ka brown ninga shushanga erino digona regizereki eri ya brown ninga shushanga mino gono mukano gagizereki gar brown. Gar brown kutari kugira ngo gagubire konka kujyo kugira ngo gine discoloration. Now twani tugamba discoloration neze miringo ebiri. Classification yito yorushaho ubwo gwita abashaho bamino classification yito ya discoloration hari tukweta intrinsic discoloration ningashi uko kushanga mino gahindukire kara konka ejo kara change eriyo munda yerino. That's what we call intrinsic kushanga ngo kintu ohindukire kugira ngo kara yawe yuruko goine eri within you. Umubiri kuwagire kura abwa minerals na buri kimwe cyona byatahiro umubiri washohora urukushote. So that is called intrinsic discoloration. Hata ejo niyo twagamba yo kushanga discoloration which is got from those consumption of excessive minerals. Now kokurugaho hati tuzo mu discoloration ya butosha iri common iba kweta extrinsic. Extrinsic nikimaisa ngo discoloration age eri aheruye rino. So kokushanga discoloration eri aheruye rino, it means ngo kiresire discoloration age. It is something echokozise ninga shechiri lifestyle related echokozise echitumire hazaho change ahakara yerino. Asonka abantu abinja bakabwa diet, abantu abinja batakubrashinga je, abantu abinja abakuresa bakunywa mara kuresa okuryemere high acidic natural, all those forms of discolorations as lifestyle related zireta extrinsic discoloration. Now hati ko kumanya those classifications ezo hati niho chikumanya niho rukwanguhera kumanya nimbasa kugitreatinga handa.
Umwe echo bire no hitanka chinte chirunomo washanga ngo ine binte mu byo kozesa erangi yawe nebasa kuba nehindukana mnonga eyamino. Reka tugumize mu tugamba no mushaho abase kushoborera aminaga kwa kushanga ngo gabasa kwerwaho okuhindura akarangi omutaka kozechi iworiyo kwa ine chizunkecho nubo bwire kugira ngo kandi hati otecheho omutuma obase kumanya icho sheme gukora amino gawe. Ikintu cyo kugira ngo umuntu ayinenke rangi eriyo minoje tari yabutosha narishe abantu bamanyiri aho kwatuye natumangwa mino gashimikwa garwite nko shanga umwe gari ga brown gamo ubuntu bwa black mushanga gasirire kinde kine mu kizubucina mnunga aha muntu ucukubacuro.
First of all, effect yo definitely kushango ina mino gatari omugudu kara. It is the effect is more or less negative. Number one, ati nolewa nkimwe abakora ha TV nangwa batari mukati kuko nakubaninka hanye na mino gar brown. Tinkame oni basa kufuna that confidence yo kwija nkagamba tukagamba nantwani tugamba mind yanje umutwe hanye n'kintu cyukutuma nta expressing myself kesha yo kushekane basa kwika ushanga na mimiza ushanga haruho. So that kind of toka for me, for Brother Smiles, we say we smile with confidence. So one of the reasons is ukutuma eje kubasa kufuna no losing a confidence in everything that you are doing. Ebichuru kubara ukora chono kandi confidence kwere kugenda or losing a lot, you end up growing old. Hati nkabana batera karuru muri nko mucace bakagera ngo benga caci kwa ya leader to kubasa kwikiriza. Because you will be scared waza kweshongora, you have to open your mouth abantu tibakubasa kwikiriza ngo ko kwigura kano otekateka waza kushohoza nka gere kajaza kurugayo otekateka nakana basa kubana areba karigizireki nyine. So most of the discoloration ne causing issues ayo challenges ziri na social interaction. So you lose confidence wena oruzinga self-esteem okurambo no tine nka that sense of expression. Ati nko eshongoza ngambera wo ine nko eshongoza tine like kamino gatakurebeka je gari discarded. Sometimes no tina no kugera ki no zano kweshongoro reba okwatire nkamuna like beno shanga that expression, and that is actually what makes dental ekikutuma obushaho bwamino bwaba ekintu kikuru munonga. Ni that kind of touch that will give you kushango in that kind of discoloration you have lost confidence, then ushanga ityukuru kwija to make sure ngo twahindura that kind of discoloration. That's number one. Ekyakabiri amino kukubura kushekana wabura kuba self confident, you end up aging faster. And so of course okusheka tikumanyisa ngo noreba mukano kusheka uzi mwana mushekimwe ni mureba kano, but for us okumanya someone is happiness noreba the whole face. Just one smile can change the whole face uko rukurebeka. Hatu wana ndo kuchumanya echo rebe nko muntu turatine mino wa muhamini noreba kwa kusheka oreba smile. Yes, you when man orebera kusheka iwo kwa, but for me I see the whole face changes orebo bire nasheka inyama zikuye kwata muziti oreba face yare kora arukinga match yanga. So eje kintu cha discoloration, it is a very big problem, especially to all age groups. Uri muzeyi n'abana batabumukura abana b'amashomera bakuza ngo umwana atakora ryo mu kirasi ninga atakugamba mu kirasi umwana yana mangwa minoge tiga karate bonire tiga kushwa nagabandi akerebo mundebegwa makareba minoga brown bakamuta hecikubiyeco ticha yamubuze kibuzo mu kirasi kuza kuteka umukona higuru ni kintu rutaro. So some of these kids mureba, they may not perform well because of these small conditions ziba kuboneba ezikukoza amamisho ekinte cy'ukwato mukano na expression kikazahari
ubiro bwinji hari inshonga ziba kubona bagambera kandi zidashikire imwe nkabashaho n'inshonga ceze umucire gushikura abantu kwe ntibabagambera umuntu ushanga ina mino gargati amo bacitwara nk'iciro numu konko mushanga ngo tubatunjire okwejesubwa kuri kumara.
About discoloration, ati nora discoloration actually mu society yetu. Sometimes if it's associated with poor oral hygiene okashanga yagwa untreated to the extent ya mino gatandika no ku amino gatandika kushaking. Sometimes people have associated it with witchcraft. Bajango barujiri. Then also naturally people would think that your hygiene is compromised tokwe faoji. If someone sees you with discolored teeth, they start thinking, okay, ugo muntu ninjira ngo takugera ki is not takwefa ho mbeno shanga, especially in other groups zo kushanga turumo. People think that actually ugo muntu takugera ki takwefa. Then at times ni babasa nko kuna nakugambira haronka groups zo kushanga ezo abacara bakushanga kufuye mende no kora chebyo. That is more common in Central. Kukani njera na kuno abantu hati babire badivasya vayingiro mu chemistry. So no sakushanga na washanga kamino gawe gari in that kind of manner abantu no basa kutwara mu ko muntu umufumu kandi utari umufumu ninga shiba kutwara nko mu rugi utagizire ki utari mu rugi.
Wanyuma yo muntu kugira ngo umwe yashanga ina minago ninge biyakora ushanga ngo amino gigatunga karanje kuhinduka mu imwe nkabashaho umuragurira muta.
Yes, kuko nakugambire kugira ngo twana tugamba ha discoloration twagamba ha intrinsic ece kinte ki within the tooth, twagamba ha extrinsic ece discoloration eri outside the tooth. Now hatiko kujoine discoloration eri outside the tooth ejuyo we do normal cleaning, professional cleaning go clinics nituzikora, and then amino gagaruko mu natural state etari whitening. Abantu bine kwahura whitening na cleaning.
Nshonga nijo wagamba ha kintu cha teeth whitening hamwe na teeth cleaning bendo kuboneza mino gakabaga white mnonga nashoka shanga mino ga umuntu yaza koze mino umuntu ari yokwe nabasa kubitanisata.
Cleaning nikimaza ngo amino gabogagine that creamy white color. Wija in hostain is in discoloration ebiares go because of the diet, because of poor hygiene, because of all sorts of life sevena gambaho kukuja twakora cleaning erino ni garuka omunacho kara nko kuruhanga yakwangire without changing the tooth color, tutahindure kara yerino. Tumasa ngo if you had the creamy brown teeth ndigaruka gaba creamy brown kokagari clean wow in pepper white teeth argo abiroyine tuya hostain zezo no garuka na pepper white teeth in that natural color. Now some people actually confuse cleaning and whitening. Haroho hati nomanya dentistry haroho chyoka cha dentistry chikweta aesthetic dentistry hati tarimo kushasha tarimo kora chikonkeri dentistry yo kuja mutukoreho orebekeje. We can change the way you look to a better. So that kind of treatment yeri kujira muza whitening hati. Now whitening ni uibo inamino gari clean, then tugahindura color to become completely paper white. Konka whitening na yo ine side effects zayo. Actually normal cleaning has no side effects. Because it is normal cleaning, it has no side effects. And normal cleaning is recommended for everyone at least once a year. What in any disease? konka nk'abantu abine shukari, pressure, those on other treatments na abine other conditions zikubasa kuba kuletera oral hygiene yabo yaba compromised, abantu tuba recommending maybe nka twice a year, even sometimes in tukora 3 times, like maybe after 3 months kurugiriro kuwareba hygiene na condition yo kugizireki okweri. So that's normal cleaning. It completely has no side effect and it is free, everyone can do it. Aba whitening bo, that one ogwe no kuchusa kara kugiho munacho kara kukora paper white but with side effects. So bwiro bwinjo umuntu ogwe naija omushaha mushobororera side effects against what you want. Washanga ngo side effects, washanga ucho rukwenda niki outweighing side effects, then no basa kuchitaking up. Washanga wijo nkakukonvince ngo kara side effects ziri more dangerous than what you want, then you can choose to remain the way you are to correct cleaning yawe tosha. Now ababine intrinsic discoloration baraba kutura hasi yemishozi, ababa discoloration yabe related to hygiene konkego mu kukura kwerino kigyo munda yerino, hataba tukakora na whitening ngo yakora, because kokora whitening what is brown will become completely brown, it becomes predominantly brown. So ababo nabasa kwija hati nkame nago uri kurebaga tusharemo kugira ngo obu amino washangerino nko kuhinduka kara kuri kurino kuona hariho treatment emwe yo kubanza yo kubasa kuhindura okukora nka okuchendeza amino sile ya hero kashonko wagicendezaho then okatahole ya white nko kuruga nka hari ineri kuka kugira ngo umuntu yasheka amenaga kusheka habene harebeka white. That is amino gona washanga gagizereki gari discolored. Then uko kushanga nka discoloration ya affect nyine kamino karimwe nkabiri. Hariho na provision yo kubasa kugira ngo tubasa kugasesinga tushange pate hakacweka ka ine discoloration. Tubase kwiyaho discoloration ye yutiteho, hariho tugombeke na material kushana pate ndijeri no kugira mbweno turihe kale ndijeri original area ya ganda mino yona mwene gabe uniform. So ibi byona nibibaho umushaho yaeza kucekinga yamanya kumanya ngo ikintu cyo kugera kintu cyo kwetanga
turi kuhendera ubuhavuzi bwawe wa muheru namnunga abo kuba hari abantu abo bashoborera namnunga bakutura mu nshoza wo kushanga mizi kubangatambura ku rugo mu nshozi bari akabuka hango kukushanga ngo bine amino gabo okuhindukamo erangi. So abantu abo kuyakubaya ariyo nakuzara abana be kunkata kwena bafune mu ituzo bwecho turi kuhendera ubuhavuzi bwawe wa muheru abantu abo no bahabura cyane n'abantu bona bari yukwe ukugira ngo amino gabo gasigara gine erangi ebonire.
First of all abantu abenje bakutura mu nshoze ani ikina kubasa kuba habura no kugira ngo mwa turi mu nshoze konka ukashanga miza mwine nka pipe to water nearby instead of going kujya for the other natural water bakoze amizi aga natural aga nanka water eje maybe kan pipe to water kaya national water kugira ngo ejiyo nebe inemu contents za amino content ziri mu ziba regulated. That's number 1. Echa kabiri no kugira ngo abana babo batware for all checkups kugira ngo sometimes aba bana kuba bine that in all condition haro toothpaste kuba recommended tare mu fluoride kandi oshanga kuba no kuba barugiroko yakosanga toothpaste tine fluoride effected ne basobute yongera kugera kuyongera kuba nyingi then ndijo no kugira ngo wakubaye nekizibu nawe yayino mwana ningashe umuntu mukuru yabire nko kutwagambo kuya cyo nabasa kwija tugira ubuhabuzo butwabasa kugera kikumuhabara ningashitumu tobe yantu basa kugira reversing yito akora kugira ngo naho yagaruka yashekaje nkabandi. So the general message ndi ku abantu no kugira ngo buri muntu wene kuza kucebeza amino emirundi ebiri umwaka oba no shasha oba tokushasha. That is the principle.
Abari mnonga Dr. Amon Mwesugwa kandi kuterezo bwire nkatayari westokija ukabasa kuba no tuyegesa mnonga kintu chukwata gine neranje yamino cyabantu binjo ko barukureba konko mwita bakucira kucifa mnonga konkane kintu chukuri mnonga abo kuba mino gawe kuga gabonire niwe smile bibonire ubwo hato mushaho yatujira ngo turebeke ngo at least umwaka twacebeza mino gitu akandi twaza umarwaro agamino kurebeka ngo amino gitu bagozya kandi no kugira ngo turebeke ngo tuyitantara cumwe okurya ebintu ebirimu shukari nyingi akuba nibasa kushisha amino gitu. Program n'omushaho wawe kandi ebeereho buri kiro shaha 3 n'ekicweka ezo mukiro nanye Olivia Kamusime kandi program egi nekushibwaho ekitongore kya National Medical Stores. Iwe mutahi wanje rebeka ngwaza website ya National Medical Stores wamanya embaze kwe kutambura omuchanga cyawe kandi noku omwirwariro kumwa mwagitungire abo buhereza burunjo bwa hati ikirize mbasibura tureba ne wikeru kwija turukwongera kandi kurebeka ngo amagara gitu tuhengera garinda kandi no kongera kwegwaho umushaho burari kurunzi. Program y'umushaho wawe yabane kushibwaho National Medical Stores.